Hello everyone, this is Vinay here from Learn Coding with Vinay again. And this is the video number 3 of our series where we are building library management system using ASP.NET Core MVC, Entity Framework Core, Database First Approach and ChatGPT extensively. Right. In this video, we are going to create the MVC project. We'll set up the Bootswatch theme in it and we'll look into some of the Navbar options as well. So let's jump into it. So before we dive further, let me tell you that what I did in the background. So I created this project just to save time, POC LMS. But let me show you the steps over here. One just need to go to the file, you know and then let me go to new project or solution, then choose the template, MVC template. Next, and then write the name POCEMS, which I'll not be doing because I have already created this, right? And in the next page, we will be selecting its version, which is 8.0, right? So I'm not doing this now because I have already created the project, right? And one more thing I would like to tell you that, I added a folder called SQL and I added those queries, the query that we use to create tables and, and the queries that we will be using into the project to see, to check our data, right? So that also I have done. And one more thing, one more, I added img folder over here. In img folder I have books folder, and in the books folder I have copied all the images. I prepared these images in the background, and let me tell you, I have requested ChatGPT only to generate these images, but it couldn't generate so many images in a one time. So I just asked him to generate one random big image with small parts in it, right? So I spent actually I spent time to manually cut out only the required piece, that we will see the images, that you will understand it better, right, when we run the project. So these are the things I have already done, to save time. Now for this application we will be using Bootswatch theme, that is journal. So what we need to do, we just need to download bootstrap.css and bootstrap.min.css, and then we just need to replace it. We just need to use these downloaded images and replace the images that we have in, let me, not images, actually css, not over here. We'll go to lib, we'll go to bootstrap and dist. In this we have a lot of css, that dist, bootstrap css and bootstrap min.css, this we need to replace with the one we downloaded. So we can just download, and from the download folder we can go to this physical folder and just replace it. Let me show you this. Right, so these are the two css that we need to replace. I have already them in downloaded folder. Let me bring downloaded folder also over here. No, actually I did it and cut pasted it. Otherwise you just need to copy it from here and paste it over here. All right, so let me close this and let's run this project and see what do we have now. So we have run the, I have run the project, and let's see, we are on a, default we have two menus, home and preview, and it looks little different than what we usually see because we have applied the Bootswatch theme, right? So now let's go to Bootswatch and let's try to take this navbar. I'll just say copy. I'll come over here on project. We'll go to shared layout. We'll go to views, shared layout, and in that layout we'll replace this bar with ours, with the one we copied from Bootswatch site. Let me say control KD. Okay, let me save this and let's see then. Okay, so after we copy pasted the navbar from this Bootswatch site, this one, right? It took a little time, so I had to stop the video and I started again. But now this is how it looks like. We'll fix the menu certain, because this is blue not coming good. We'll make it white only, or maybe, yeah, we'll make it white only, right? So let me do that. Let me quickly do that. Let me remove these. Let me save these, and we will make this text white, and we'll apply this to rest of the item as well. Here, 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 and even here. So let me say Control V. Let me save this, and let's it reload. Okay, it got reloaded quickly this time. Okay, so this looks good now, white. Yeah. Now this is coming. This is okay. This will keep as it is. Now let me change the navbar also. Anyway, navbar we will be replacing with, with a good logo. But here, let me just give it LMS. Let me save this. Come to over here. So we have good menus. We have this search. We have the search button. Good. So I'll just make this search, it's instead of secondary, we'll make it info so that it looks good in color. Secondary gray is not looking great. Okay, so this is good. This is good, right? And search. Let me see why it has the placeholder this. But MESM2 type search, placeholder search. Okay, this is good. Okay, no worries. This is good, right? So now it looks a little good, right? But these are the default menu that had on Bootswatch site, or you know. So let's try to ask Chat GPT, that help us with the navbar menus, right? So I have created the prompt. That's a very small prompt, so I'll directly copy paste on Chat GPT, and we can begin from there. So let me copy paste it over here, and here I am saying this. Hey, can you please help me with what should be our Nabbar menus for a library management system? Please consider all role, admin, librarian, member. At this moment, we will have all menus in. When we implement the login, we will plan to show hide menus based on the logged in user. Right. So let's see what does it comes up with. Right. So we'll put down all possible menus. Navigation. Right. Okay. It is generating the response. Let's say. So okay, so ChatGPT has suggested, nice options. So it says that there should be home, there should be books. In the books, we should have view all book and search book. So search book, probably what I'm planning is we will have advanced search rather than just the search book, because what we'll plan, a user can search it from here itself by writing, author name or book name or anything, right? Then based on search, it will take us to the another page, right, where it will search the, and there we will have filters and everything for the search again if user wants to search it again, right? So let me take few out of it. So we will have home definitely. Instead of search, we search books. Instead of this, we will have advanced book search, and my account, okay, will be there, log out will be there. Okay, so let's try building it, let's try parallelly having it. So home we have. Okay, next will be advanced. We will have advanced search, right? So we'll go one by one. We'll have advanced search, then my account. Okay, then let me make this my account actually, because we have a drop down menu over here. In that, my profile, my subscription, my, okay, we don't need that much. Here we'll have my profile, where we'll have everything, and we'll just have log out over here, right? Two menus as of now. If required, we'll add up, right? Then uh, book management. Okay, librarian menus. So book should be managed by librarian. Okay, so add new book, manage books, book authors, mapping. Yeah, okay. authors. Yeah, so instead of this, for librarian, what I'll be doing, I'll copy paste this. I'll paste this over here, and this time what I'll do, I will say manage master data, manage master data, and in this we will manage books. We'll change it later on if required. Manage authors, right? Then we'll have manage book author mapping, right? So let me keep three as of now. Yeah. Okay. Then there will be reservations. Let's say uh, active reservations, all reservation, violations, handling. No, that's okay. These are nothing. Okay, so we will not have menu and sub menu kind of thing for reservation. We'll keep it just this, and if required, we'll convert it later on. Right. So this will be reservations, right? Okay, this will be reservations, and then member subscriptions. Okay, member subscriptions. Okay, I think in members, right? Okay, manage member should not be there. Manage member. Okay, let's say as of now I add manage member also. Let me add it over here only. Manage members. Okay, so ideally manage member should not come in this guy should fall under admin, right? So let me do one thing now. Let me make a copy of this one more, and let me make this manage master data here. Admin can see this also. All these things are also good, right? And then over from here we will remove this man, right? So this is master data. This will be for librarian. This will be for admin. And now let us see what is happening over here. Okay, so it is nice. It is building up. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. Okay, my account, my profile, and logout. This is good. Master data. Manage books and authors. And this will not call it master data. Manage books and authors. Let's say manage books and authors. Right, and then this is good. This is a manage books and author, right? And for admin, let's say manage member is there, but let me, yeah, so this will have all CRUD and change password functionality, right? Let's see, or we can give it these two actually, librarian also, but let's see what is the most convenient that we will do later on. Right, so we have home, advanced search, pricing, and about I will remove. Price and about I will remove. Okay. Okay, so reservations, advanced search, reservations, manage books, author. Okay, this is good books, another. This will be librarian, this will be for admin. My account would be for everybody. Right. So this looks good. Let me see if there is any further suggestion by ChatGPT. User and roles. Okay, user and roles, that's okay. Okay, user and roles. Okay, let me see if we have added that into. Okay, member. Okay, I think for admin we'll add this. Manage roles, and we will also have manage users, or I would say members. Manage member was there, right? Okay, so this is not required. So this is good. And then reports, book reservations report. Yeah, maybe we can plan report later if required, System setup, general setting, if any, audit logs. Okay. So admin will also have one more, manage subscriptions actually. Because subscription values can pricing and days thing that can be changed by admin only. So this will give subscriptions, manage subscriptions. Okay, so this is good. Let's analyze further my reviews. Okay, book reservations. Okay, that we have subscription, my subscription. See, my profile will have general detail and subscription detail as well. So there is no need to have separate menu. My reviews. Okay, my reviews, my reviews and recommendation. Okay, let's add it as of now, and let's see if we will be able to do that or not. Achieve. This should be for members actually. You know, my reviews and recommendations. My reviews and recommendations. Right. So let's see how does it look. Okay, this is good. Okay, my account. Okay, my profile, my reviews and recommendations. Okay, we'll make R capital. Right. Okay, so let's, as of now, keep up to this. So we have nice menu, home, advanced search, reservations, manage books and author. This will be for librarian, right? Manage master data. This will be for admin, books, authors, book author mapping, manage rules, roles, subscription, and manage members, CRUD and change password. This CRUD and change password I will remove it. Just I'm keeping it so that we remember what needs to be implemented over here. And in my account, it will be my profile. My profile will have all the basic detail and subscription detail as well. My reviews and recommendation, if given per any book, there should be listed, and the logout one. Right. So as of now, this looks good. So what we did in this video, we created the MVC project. We used the Bootswatch theme, implemented the Bootswatch theme in the project, and we created menus, right, for all those possible. And based on the need, we will change these menus and so hide in the next module when we do the specifically when we work on login, right? So thanks for watching this video, and in the next video, we will try to we'll try to discuss homepage, that what should our homepage look like with ChatGPT, and let's say what kind of data what kind of suggestion it gives us, right? So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Thanks a lot, guys.